this episode, we're going to be visiting Agate, or Agate, or Agate. I've heard it pronounced all three ways. So, Agate Lake over by Medford, Oregon. This lake is about an hour, 20 minutes from Klamath Falls, which you're seeing on the animation map right now. It's only a 216-acre lake. It does not allow gas engines to be run on the lake, so only electric engines or paddles. So it's actually a very quiet lake. It's only 216 acres, and this is probably your best bet for bank fishing. I mean, there are so everywhere you look on this lake, there's bank fishermen. Very, very nice little lake. I was able to do a couple laps in my kayak on this lake, so if I was to order up a perfect day for March 31st, it would be the day that I had. It was 79 degrees out. The water was a nice 60 degrees right in that pre-spawn spawn area for the largemouth bass. No wind, really crystal clear. It's a very nice lake. Easy to get to, just outside of Medford. In fact, you're only about maybe 5 minutes out of Medford, so fast food, hotels, lodgings, things like that, right in Medford there too. The lake is known for its largemouth bass, bluegill, crappie, and yellow perch, and also some brown bullhead. So I fished the lake all day long under perfect conditions and was unable to catch anything, except for when my two poles got entangled on my kayak and I was untangling them. I had a ruthless, mean little fish jump out of the water right next to my kayak, not once, not twice, but 3 times. Oh my gosh, I started yelling at it. I finally got my poles untangled, threw some topwater and some shallow baits, but those fish are smart. They're very smart. So anyway, I did get one bite, but did not land anything under perfect conditions. So I guess I'm living up to my name at terrible at fishing. But the lake itself is very, very nice. It's got Mount McLaughlin in the background there. Again, it's very quiet. It's a great kayak lake. A lot of underbrush, a lot of stuff for the bass and fish to hide out in. Easy to get to, both by foot or by boat. I would definitely recommend this little lake. It was only a 75% capacity at this moment of writing, but because they are filling it rather quickly, it is rather murky. So dark baits, things like that, and I would suggest topwater baits. Right now, the fish are coming up to the surface, very shallow, but something other than what I use, evidently. So I want you guys to put agate, whatever, however you want to say it, on your to-do list, because it really is a very nice little lake for you to go to and enjoy. And they have bathrooms positioned on both sides of the lake, which is great, really great. So thank you for watching this episode. Please subscribe and like below, and I will be visiting more lakes in Southeast Oregon with you and put them into this playlist. So thank you very much.